Hi, I'm Carol, and you might wonder why I'm wearing gloves. I'm wearing gloves because today we are going to be handling birds' nests, and from birds' nests we can get diseases. Also, I should point out that no birds were harmed in the making of this. All of these birds' nests were found abandoned, either on the ground or in the water. In front of me we have several different styles of nests. The first 5 of them you can see are open nests, and then these 2 here are enclosed where the eggs are laid inside and the little chicks hatch inside. These 2 are quite similar, but I'll show you this one made by a Firebird. Now on the outside she's constructed it with twigs and paper bark and stringy bark, and on the inside she's lined it with mud. This one here is made by a noisy miner. Let's turn it over. You can see the bark construction on the outside, but on this occasion it's lined by possum fur. Wouldn't that be much nicer for the little chickies? Here we have a nest that's constructed by a rose robin. Now it's lined with some feathers on the inside. The outside at the top here is lined and camouflaged by lichen, and if we turn it over we can see the moss on the underside. This one here, now I'm not quite sure who actually made this, but it's constructed from things from the environment. We can see feathers on the inside lining it, and we can see grasses and some bark, but we can also see some string that's been used. So that doesn't mean that we should leave string out or leave other materials out for the birds to actually use, but we can see the use of it if it's found in the environment. This one is made by a weebill. Now, if I turn it over this way, you can see the inside is lined with feathers. The outside is constructed using grasses, some bark, and this bird also uses silk from spider webs to help bind it and hold it together. Now it hangs out of the tree. We can see the entrance here for the little birds to go in and out of.